darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left the seas while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain that still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, now the streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the calling down, where my eyes are stared by the flash of the neon light that split the night. It touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without all speaking, people hearing without all listening, people writing songs that voices never share, with no one dread. Disturb the sounds of silence. Who said I do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might need you. Take my arms that I might reach you. Put my words like in silence, raindrops fell. Of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the near God they made. In the silent shadow winds morning, in the walls that it will ask for me, and the signs and the prophets of midnight, the subway walk. Tell me homes, the whisper